everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 7 of the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar opening. So I had 2 different ones, as you know. So this is the first one. So this is the nail art one. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Oh, little snowmen. How cute. And they're really iridescent. Look at them. Oh no, they are cute. Oh, they are super cute. I'll put them in the tray in a second. So let's have a look at the new glitter. So this is a new product as well. So we'll have a look at it together. Ooh. Oh, now that is pretty. Oh wow, wow. So let's get a tray out, shall we? So this is the snowman. Focus you in. Oh my god, how cute. Oh no, they are cute. Look at them. Oh, I love how much they shift. Look at that. Wow. And they're actually not that thick. I can pick one up. Oh, I dropped him. Oh no, I dropped him again. Got glitter everywhere in this room. So they are really thin. And they're a good size. It can be upside down, isn't he? Let's stick him on there. Oops. So they're a good size. Oh, how cute. So that's the snowman. Oh, he's gone. So let's do this one as well. So this one is Christmas tree, and you get 3 grams. So let's just have a quick look at this before I swatch it. Oh wow. That, ooh, wow, now that is stunning. Oh my, look at that. Wow. Right, I'm gonna swatch this and I shall be right back. Okay, so it's time for the top coat. So let's have a look. Wow, now that is stunning. Wow. Oh, just look at that. Wow. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. So these are today's new products. What do you guys think? So we have some iridescent snowmen, which are so cute. I cannot wait to use them. So that is what they look like again. So they really shift. Imagine them in a nail design. And then we have the glitter mix, which I just showed you, which is a Christmas tree. And oh my, that is like, oh, it's amazing. So let me just show you one more time. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is amazing. And it's just over a clear tip. That's it. That's amazing. Okay, well, let me know your thoughts down below on the new goodies from today. And don't forget, if you place an order from Charlie's, as I always say, don't forget to use my discount code. If I remember, I will put it on the screen. If not, it's always down below anyway. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully you will join me tomorrow. And yeah, go get yours. Go get them. Right, see you all tomorrow. Bye.